We're here with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission talking all about pumpkin. And today we are making a pumpkin swirl streusel cakes. That sounds yummy.
You know, it's great to have these desserts during the holidays that will serve more than just maybe like a pie, 8 people. This cake will serve 16. So
well, it depends on how big of an eater you have,
just
right?
a greedy one.
Up to 16, right?
That's right, depending on how much you slice
Oh,
it.
you're going by serving sizes.
Yes.
Though. Okay, it should serve up to 16. Okay.
But you can have more. But I like this because you can make one dessert and have it for your whole family. What I have here is margarine and our sugar that I've mixed together and creamed. And when you're using margarine in baking, use a high level of fat. This has 80% oil in it, and you'll see some of the margarines have more water in it, but you want the higher oil.
High fat.
High
fat
oil
is good for baking.
That's right. Okay, so now to this we're going to add the pumpkin.
Okay.
You can add that.
All right, come on.
Yeah.
Oh, you got this little spatula here, this rubber spatula for me. Okay.
We'll add that.
Oh, it
and
smells
then
so delicious.
you can go ahead and add the soy sour cream.
Soy sour
And while
cream.
we're
Is this a
doing
secret
that,
recipe?
Yeah.
Is that a secret ingredient, I
It
mean?
adds a lot of moistness to
Okay.
this. You're going to have the dry ingredients here, and I've got our leavening and salt and our pumpkin pie spice.
Okay.
You can put that in there, and you've got a little whisk there.
Okay.
And you can mix that together so that you'll be ready when we do that. Now we're going to start adding the vanilla.
Okay.
And if I was at home, I would probably still use my electric mixer and makes it easier to mix, and then add the eggs. And what we would do, we don't quite have this mixed up, but we would put half of the mixture in there, and then we would put that streusel there. That's what makes that spiral.
Right.
Okay.
So we're just going to put half of it in here. Chris, do you want to turn that bundt pan for me?
You bet.
Yeah.
You're relying an awful lot on me, Charlene,
Yes,
today.
I am.
Okay.
I'm counting on you. Now, you can take, Denisha, that streusel mixture
Streusel?
and just put that all in there. And then what we're going to do is cover it with the rest of the batter. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 55 to 60 minutes.
Oh, so it takes a long time.
It does.
Okay.
And you use a wooden skewer. Now, you want to turn that again, Chris?
Oh, sure.
Oh, yeah. See, you're good.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Turning the pan.
Yeah.
Okay. And
There
then
we go.
What is that mixture over there for, Charlene?
Oh, we forgot to add it in there. Well, I'm glad you said that.
I was thinking,
You should
but
have.
I'm not good at this. And so, you know, trust the process, right?
This will be a test. But what
Okay.
we wanted to do was add the dry ingredients into here.
Okay.
And stir it and
Okay.
make our batter.
Okay.
And then put half of it in
There
here.
we go.
And you know what we're going to do? If you do something like that, I'll put this all back in there. Don't throw it away. We'll just have the streusel mixture mixed through the whole batter. So don't get rid of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all
Good
right.
advice.
Yeah.
So we didn't completely mess it up. We can just redo it again.
Right.
Well, we're just going to take it out of the pan, put it all in there, add the flour, mix it, and we'll have the streusel through the whole bundt can.
Okay, we're out of time. Recipe.
It's at kansassoybeans.org.
All right, thanks, Charlene. We'll be right back.